Woke up the next day and just felt horrible pain all over my body, had no car, super frustrated, just super lost. So I called a lawyer I had gone through for some financial issues, and he had recommended Ross Jurewitz. So I called him, and within a few hours I met with him and he answered all my questions, and I knew I was making the right move. Hi, I'm Rachel. I am 26, about to be 27, have a 2.5-year-old son, and live here in San Diego, born and raised. Work full-time for a company up in Carlsbad, Action Sports Company, makes eyewear for athletes and everyday people. Been there a little over 5 years, love it, hope to retire there. One day on my lunch break, I was driving my Explorer I had had for several years, about 12 years old. On my lunch break, cruising to meet a friend, and I have a green light, and all of a sudden another car comes from the left and just plows into me. I was going about 60 miles per hour. My car spun about, I guess it did like a 180. The ambulance came, police came, lots of questions. Felt some pain in my legs and my arm, my chest, just from the impact. A coworker picked me up, took me to ER, and was actually at the same ER as the lady that had hit me. And I remember clearly that she knew some people at the hospital, and they had come up to her, "What's going on? Are you okay?" And I heard her say, "Yeah, someone hit me." And I just stood up and I said, "Let's get it straight. You hit me. You ran a red light. All the witnesses said it." And I was just so infuriated because this lady has caused me so much pain and loss of a vehicle. You know, I do make more than minimum wage, but being a young mother, I couldn't believe I had to go out and find a car, and a good, reliable car was gonna cost me a nice chunk of change. My major concern was, how am I gonna get a new car, a reliable, safe car for me and my family, after this lady just did an irresponsible move that caused me all this pain and suffering? What do? I had no idea. I just knew that something needed to be done rather than get that $1,000 check for my old beater car. I knew I just needed more. It wasn't fair.
Helped you out throughout the whole process?
They informed me right off the bat the whole legal process of auto accidents and being injured in an auto accident, which I was injured. I had huge laceration on my breast, on my legs, and I had my arm in a sling for several weeks, and it still hurts to this day. I must get surgery on it. I would say, don't say anything until you talk to Ross and his team. He will teach you little tricks that the other insurance company will try to get out of you to claim their innocence, I guess, or claim them not at fault, which is really important for a young individual like myself. I know nothing about law, period, really. So just don't give them too much detail until the time is right, basically, and watch keywords that you say, because they can be kind of turned against you. Stay strong, have confidence in your lawyer and his team, and at the end, everything will be all right.